Hi everyone. I'm sorry about all the background noise. My microphone broke, so I'm having to use the microphone on my laptop, and things going on with all the COVID and stuff. So I'm having to work from home, and it's late in the day, and I wasn't able to go to the store and buy a new mic. But I have to get this updated. So this video is just going to show you how to add any user to your WordPress site and what the user roles mean. It's a very simple video for beginners, very beginner friendly. It's going to go at a rapid pace, so let's get started. I guess first I'm going to explain what the user roles are. It's basically a small summary. There's really 6 roles that you can add to your WordPress site. The last but not least, which it would be a subscriber, is basically someone who can only manage their profile. It's great for somebody who is, let's say you have a membership site and you just want them to only have access to their profile and that's it, nothing else. And then the next level is a contributor. That role, they can write and manage their own posts, but they can't publish them. So that's I don't know, I guess you could use that for somebody that wants to again, for a membership site where they can write things, you can see them but nobody else can, or for maybe some sort of diary or who knows what, right? I don't know, you figure it out, but that's what a contributor is. Now an author, that role is someone who can publish and manage their own posts. So that's, if somebody, for whatever reason you want them to do that, that's what you have to do. Now an editor, that's another role, is someone who can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users. So it's like an elevated position, and I guess you could call that a mod, or like a moderator, so they'd be able to have access to their posts and other people's posts. I guess you could just call that a moderator, if you're used to like Reddit and other places like that. Now the administrator is someone who has access to all the administration within the website. They can post, remove, delete, add plugins, pretty much like almost like the root access of it. I guess you could say they would be like the owner. Well, no, maybe not the owner, but they would have almost every access to everything. You don't want to give just anybody that access. Now there's another one that's, I don't know if it's under the roles, but basically the role that is called a super admin. That's above administrator. The super admin is basically someone who has access to the entire network administration of the web server and the website. So for example, I am a super admin on my website, and I have the ability to control everything from the networking, processing, CPUs, memory, all that fun stuff. And people who self-manage their own installations, sorry about the background, crazy traffic here, just ignore it. I'm gonna just say that I'm gonna edit that out later, but then I'm not, so I'm not even gonna pretend to even. Anyway, so yeah, this is how you add a user. So once you log into your site, you're gonna see the dashboard or a resemblance of it or whatnot. You might not see all this crap, but anyway, so we'll go to the dashboard, and this, you might see something similar to this. So we'll go to where did it go? Is it? No, it was users. It's right there in front of me. Go to users, add new, and you can add an email or username. Usually I just put a username. I'll just put like test dude. His role, he's going to be a subscriber. Now here you can send a confirmation email that they've been added. This is great for membership sites, or customer access to their self-managed sites or fully managed sites, whatever. So I usually don't send that unless it's a managed site that I host. Then I'll click on that. But if it's someone that manages their own installation on my server, then I won't send it, because they'll have, I don't know, I guess it's a good habit to send it, because then people see it and they're like, oh cool, I got it. They don't have to worry about it. So I would leave it like that. So here we just add username. What username can I'll just put dude. Email, I'll just put a random email that's on my drop down. And then there goes again, skip the confirmation email. I'm not going to do that. And that's it. I just hit add new user. And is it now? Well, how about we just we just type in a fake one there. Send. Yay. So that sends them an email. They have to click on the link. Once they click on the link, they're done, they're added. That's great if you want to have some sort of security and control. That's another reason why you want to not skip the email. But if you don't worry about that, or you have something else that's controlling that, then there you go. So there goes a very short video on how to do that. If you have any questions, let me know. Comments, send me an email, call me, whatever. Subscribe. I love you. Bye.